Maybe this is the reason why you started with see you later. I could add alligator. Now, vision products is something which we have displayed a few times already in our live stream. Our cameras, objective, our illuminations and lights. So a portfolio which we developed over the last couple of years, which is ready and available. That's why I would like to go back now again and take a look into the TwinCAT Vision software. The software product is also available for many years as a TwinCAT function. And the topic we're talking about now goes right back into our feedback from LinkedIn because somebody asked for vision. And so we have, not by accident, we have invited Michael this morning. Hello, Michael.
Morning.
We talked about TwinCAT Vision already a few years ago because this is an existing product. Now it's time to take a little look into applications and updates. So let's start with an application. You brought an application with you. What is the use case of this application?
Yeah, it's from the company Benzinger from Pforzheim in Germany, and they produce, among other things, a machine for producing jewelry rings. So the machine is equipped with a magazine with different materials and different diameters, and then according to the customer order, which size and diameter and so on, they cut it and can also widen the ring.
Okay, so have you been ever there and you could took a little gold bar with you?
Unfortunately not. Maybe I have the chance one time, but the challenging part on this is that the material can always look different. We can have different defects, different dust or thawing leftovers and so on. So it's a quite challenging task to do it rule-based. That's why we took an approach with our machine learning creator and simply trained a model. And after one optimization, it worked very well. So we can directly integrate it into the machine. So now we have a camera from us taking a picture. Then we have TwinCAT Vision acquiring the image, pre-processing it, executing the model, and providing the final result that the machine can pass or skip a bad part quite early in the production and not wasting any costs producing bad things.
So we were even possible to integrate the latest TwinCAT features, like all the agent features, into the Vision product as well. Excellent, huh? Now you're also updating, or let's say improving, the possibility to capture pictures. And you got an example here as well. So what new software functions are available now?
Yeah, with the latest release, we implemented a new and optimized template matching function. That's what we will see here now. It's detecting also rotated objects. Okay. And we also provide a function for dot code reading, which is a special code used in food and beverage and tobacco industry. And we provide a function based on a trained neural network. So we can all detect the codes in an image. Okay. So you only have to load it and can directly use it and get all the code positions in the image.
Okay, so basically we'd like to give the customer the chance to basically identify every object he has, more or less.
Yes.
All right, there's another application you have prepared. Let's take a look and let's go to the workbench here. We had the camera and the objectives already before. Now we have here something which we call a unit, which actually combines all the hardware product into one product. And the unit need to be controlled, and I think it's about to control right now.
Yes, so the image acquisition is done by Gig Vision, by Ethernet. But here we also integrated the unit with EtherCAT, and this gives us the possibility to control each light channel individually. So we can simply change the value, and you see that the color of the image changes. And another cool thing with the liquid lens, we can also focus on different planes. So now we focus on the top level. Now this object becomes sharp, and if we step down our pyramid here, we can see now this is in focus, and the other levels as well. And it's directly available because of our additional EtherCAT integration, and it's very easy to use.
I think this is always our clear vision, to use all the data we have inside the PLC and with EtherCAT. I mean, it's so easy then to operate this. Now, I think your job is not done yet, Michael, because whenever we finish one idea or one request from the customer, we have another thing in mind. So let's take a look into the year 2026. What are you working on as we speak?
Yeah, we will provide a function that supports our polarization cameras. So it's a special sensor that needs to be demosaicked and prepared for an image. Then we have trained neural network for optical character recognition, OCR.
Oh, tough word for us Germans.
So this gives us, it's much more powerful, so it gives us benefits of less or no pre-processing, and also has the capability to detect small letters.
Okay.
And
And you would
finally,
like to give the buzzword Linux, correct?
yes, that's what we're also working on, to provide TwinCAT Vision for Linux, that also this operating system is supported now.
Yeah, perfect. Because this actually will close the loop, because we started earlier this week with the Linux distribution we have for real time and all the functions we have. So you are the next in line, basically, to get your function adapted to Linux. Well, thank you, Michael.
You're welcome.